Alright, I'm back with the second part of my HO Gondola Scratch Build. And before I get into what all I've done so far to my car, I just wanted to show you a side-by-side of the original car and the one that I'm building. So you can see they look pretty similar. Alright, so far I have added the spine of the car. As you can see, get a little close up right here. I also added, as you can see, a truck mount. And I'll put that down and I'll actually show you. And I'm very surprised with the truck mount that it actually came out really good. I don't know if you can see that there or not, but I'll bring up and show you. It fits in there pretty good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a washer and a small screw right there to hold down the truck, and I think it'll work out pretty good. And then last, I added the ladder on to both sides. Okay, so what's left is to add the couplers on, and then which I'll place at either end of the car, drill the holes out in the truck mounts, and spray paint, and she'll be finished. Okay, I've got some more work done. Let me just show you. Okay, like I talked about, I drilled some holes into the truck mount. Turned out pretty good, and I'll show you what that looks like. Stays in place. Took my hobbing screws, and I kind of made up a makeshift washer, and it holds. And lastly, I made a coupler box, and that really turned out good. Haven't got a chance to test it yet, and I'll show you the lid that I made for it. But I'm pretty confident that it's going to turn out. Okay. That's it for this video. The next video that I'm going to make, I'm going to show the painting process and putting on the decals. Stay tuned.